my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to block someone on Signal app. Let me show you how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Select the contact which you want to block. Click on three dots which shown on top right. Click on conversation setting. Scroll down till we get block icon. Press on it. Press again to block. Back. Back again. You will find block sign here. If you want to unblock someone which you already blocked, press again on the same contact. Click on unblock. Click again on unblock. That's it. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.